Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and crop your photos using the Etsy seller application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, you can get started logging in. So if you're using your mobile phone and application, just go ahead and download the application on your phone, open it up and get started creating an account if you do not already have one and logging in. At the mobile application, you're going to be able to access your shop manager just by going to the bottom of the screen, opening up your shop manager. That's going to enable you to set up your store. If you do not already have one, if you have one, you can access your shop settings from there. And now we can get started with following this help center article right here on etsy.com on how to add our listing photos. And here we have the option on how to crop our listing photos using the Etsy seller application. So we are going to open up our listing and tap a listing photos. So go ahead and open up your listing section on your mobile phone device and open up the listing you want to crop the photo for, and then click the edit button. By tapping the edit button, you can drag the corners to resize the image or choose original for preset sizes depending whichever you prefer, and then you're going to slide the image to choose what part you want to display and edit the borders and crop them out however you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the crop and you want to use that image and apply it to your listing, just tap apply, and just like that you are going to successfully crop your photos using the Etsy seller app. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.